hold on.
I really wanted to be today, man. And I worked my ass off. Fuck. Britannia's a strong motherfucker. He hits hard. And I never wanted to quit, man. That's never in me. I didn't want to quit. I wanted to go full 12 rounds. I know it's fucking me up, but hey, I'm sorry, guys.
So good.
So you didn't want it to be stopped, but obviously your trainer and the referee felt that you were taking too much punishment and you were not able to get to him in any way consistently.
Nah, I couldn't get to him, man. He was fighting the fight he was supposed to fight. He ran when he was supposed to.
Give me something else.
I just couldn't get to him, man.
Well, you had a plan to get on the inside.
I didn't even notice that one.
And to use your superior speed, hand speed on the inside. What did he do to neutralize that?
Why did he beat me? He just
What did you neutralize that? Why did he beat me?
And
Cut to the chase, bro.
whatever I did, he'd find a way to counteract that. And he'd just find a way to win, and I'd find a way to lose.
He's a simple man.
I think you gained a lot of fans in losing here for giving a great effort. Thank you very much, Chris.
A todos los que están aquí, perdón por haber ganado. Le puse todas mis ganas. Perdón, de veras. Y voy a venir para atrás. I promise I'll be back. This ain't the last you've seen of me. Fuck that, I'm coming back.
Thank you very much, Chris. Jim?
He's like, Larry, did you see my wife? I already won.
The emotion of Chris Arreola.
It's over. Do you see how ugly I am?